Hello YouTube, this is John Duran 32 and I'm going to be doing my top 10 Cydia tweaks. All of these tweaks are free with the addition of the ihacksrepo in Cydia, which I will tell you how to do at the end of the video. So without further ado, my first one is SBsettings. Everyone should know. Everyone should have SBsettings, is what I'm trying to say. It's a great app. Here you just swipe on the top, and, well, if I can get it, there we go. And you can change your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, you can control your airplane mode, and, you can data, your, processes, and, I mean, it's just, everyone should know what it is. I'm putting this on here, just for the new jailbreakers, someone that's trying to just start off with some essential apps or some just fun little tweaks or something. But yeah, that's a somewhat helpful app. It's, SBsettings, and it is free in Cydia. Alright, and the next one is KillBackground, and what KillBackground does is basically this little skull and crossbones at the bottom right of my screen. Basically, here, let me open up some apps real quick to show you. Just pick some random ones. And basically what it allows you to do, KillBackground, is basically the little skull and crossbones. You hit it, and it automatically clears all of your apps so that you don't have to close them out one by one, and it's just a lot faster. Once again, that is KillBackground, and it is free in Cydia. My next one is Winterboard. What Winterboard allows you to do is it's the best theming, I guess. The best theming that you can get in from Cydia and everything. As you can see, I've got Skrillex HD, 2 unique red, transparent docks, dim icons, wallpapers, stuff like that. It's just a theming, but I mean it's fun. You can find themes in Cydia for free or sometimes not free, but most of the time you can almost 99% of the time find them free in Cydia. Once again, that is Winterboard and free in Cydia. Next on my list is Springtomize, and what Springtomize is basically somebody just put a whole ton of just features and things you can do into just one app, and that's why I like it. You can do animations, and it's just fun. Sometimes just to see what you can do with it. It's somewhat of a theming, somewhat of just changing things, mainly. I think it is more of a theming type thing, kind of like Winterboard. This is just something you can kind of play with addition of Winterboard. Once again, that is Springtomize as seen at the top, and it is free with the ihacksrepo in Cydia. Okay, and the next one is Zeppelin. Zeppelin, if you can see at the top right next to my bars, is the Avengers logo, which I was trying to do with a previous video and everything. Basically, you can change it to the Batman symbol, you can change it to the Beats logo, you can change it to anything you want. Let me see. I'm just going to give you some examples and stuff. You can get Beats by Dre, you can get the Apple logo, Android, AMD Air Jordans, Atari, Asus, Autobots, whatever you want. If you just gotta try to search something in Cydia, just search NBA logo Zeppelin, and a whole thing will pop up for you. Once again, that is Zeppelin, and it is free in Cydia. My next one would be cydelete, And what cydelete allows you to do is, instead of manually going into Cydia and doing the long process of deleting a tweak, instead you can just hold down and you just get the little X like you do with any regular app or anything. And it's just a quicker way of just deleting tweaks. I find it useful for something I don't need, and I'm just clearing up some memory space. Once again, that is cydelete, and it is free in Cydia. The next on my list is infinidock, and what infinidock is, basically you can put as many apps as you want into your dock. Right now I've got 3 different dock type things running. I've got Cascade, which gives it this kind of a cover flow when you move it. I've got icondock and infinidock. If anyone does want to do something of those 3, the best way that I recommend is to first get the 5icondock, then to get a Cascade, and then after that you can get Winterboard, and in that order. But the main app is Infiniboard, or no, not Infiniboard, I'm sorry, infinidock, and it is free with the ihacksrepo. And like I said, the next one is Cascade, which once again, it's just this nice little cover flow, something to add to your dock with the addition of 5iconfolder, infinidock, and Cascade. And that's Cascade. It is available for free in Cydia. The next one is ikeywi, and for some reason my dang pad isn't showing up again. Basically what this allows you to do is, basically it adds a 5th row to your keyboard. You can have anything, like instead of having to hold down Alt or like switch your keys back and forth, like to numbers or something, it adds like a 5th row, and then if you hit the capitalized button or whatever it's called, Alt or something like that, it changes the 5th row to wherever you have it set as an alternate. And once again, that is, one second, that's ikeywi, and it is free with the ihacksrepo. And my last one here today would be infinifolder. This is not saying, I'm not saying this is the least helpful. None of these are ranked at whatsoever. These are just 10 useful apps that, I think that a beginner should probably have. They're just kind of my essentials, I guess. But basically, it's pretty self-explanatory. You get to put as many apps as you want into one folder. You can put like 100 apps, 1,000 apps, however many you want. You can put every single app that you've got into one folder. And once again, that is infinifolder, and it is free with the ihacksrepo. And now I'm going to show you the ihacksrepo, which should get you all of these that I've just now said for free in Cydia. So the first step is obviously to open Cydia, let everything load and everything. And after it's done loading, I will go to Manage, and I will go to, here, just cancel that. I will go to Edit, and I will go to Add, and what it is ihacksrepos.com, and that's the ihacksrepo. It's pretty simple. That is the ihacksrepo. And once it's done, it'll ask you to, I think, just return to Cydia. You hit done. And in here, you've just got all of your... It's just another way to get Cydia tweaks for free. It's the most popular way, at least, too, from my view. Okay, you guys, that was my top 10 and tweaks with the ihacksrepo. Demonstration, I guess. This is John Duran 32 signing off.